In this video, I am going to show you how to activate a job alert on Indeed. Step 1. Start by entering your desired job title, keywords related to the position. In the location field, add the city, province, or territory where you're looking for employment opportunities. Step 2. Below the search fields or within the search result page, look for a section or heading that says something along the lines of "I want to receive the latest job alert for your current search criteria." Find the field where you can input your email address. This is where Indeed will send notifications about new job listings that match your search criteria. 3. After entering your email address, there should be a button to submit, sign up, or confirm your desire to receive job alerts, and then click on Proceed. Shortly after signing up, you should receive an email from Indeed asking you to confirm your job alert subscription. Open this email and click on the confirmation link to activate your job. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.